All right, let's consider this question. Yeah, we are asked to find R if 6R7 in base 8 is equals to 511 in base 9. All right, so we are to find the value of R. First of all, we are to convert both bases to base 10. We are to convert this one that is in base 8 to base 10. And this one to also base 10. So whatever we got here, we will equate it to whatever we will find that we will get here. Then we'll now be able to look for the value of our R. So let's go on to solve it. Converting 6R7 in base 8 to base 10, we are going to have 6R7 in base 8 to give us 6 times 8 raised to power 2 plus 7 times 8, plus R times 8 plus 7 times 1. You know that this is 8 raised to power 1 and this one is 8 raised to power 0. So any number raised to power 0 will give us 1. All right? So here we are going to have 6 times 8 raised to power 2 is 64. R times 8 is 8R plus 7 times 1 is 7. All right? So let's multiply these two together. 8 times 64. Sorry, 6 times 64. It will give us 384 plus 8R plus 7. So adding 7 to this, we are going to have 391 plus 8R. All right. So this is for this particular one in base 8. All right. So let's convert this one also to base 10. We will have 5119 in base 10. 5 times 9 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 9 plus 1 times 1. 5 times 81 plus 9 plus 1. 5 times 81 will give us 405 plus 9 plus 1 will give us 10. So adding these two, we are going to have 415. Now, we have gotten this in base 10 as this. Equally this in base 10 as this. So let's equate this to this. So we are going to have 391 plus 8R equals to 415. All right, so collecting like terms, we have 8R equals to 415. This one passes it to be minus 391. 8R minus this, we are going to have 415 minus 391 will give us 24. So dividing this by 8, 8 here, 1, 8 here, 3. So the value of our R is equals to 3. So the correct option here is option A.